Good morning. A chilly start to the day with a bit of brightness, but we've also seen a few showers scooting through in the rush hour this morning. We can see these on the latest satellite and radar image. And for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man today, there will be bright spells, perhaps the odd shower, but mostly dry conditions before a very unsettled spell of weather to come over the next 24 hours or so. Winds will pick up just a touch for Irish Sea coast by the end of the day today. Generally dry though over the next few hours or so, temperatures around average for the time of year. And then as we head through into this evening and overnight, the possibility of a few showers for the Isle of Man at first, and then sweeping up from the Midlands, we have a band of rain which will be rather heavy, and it'll push through into the early hours of tomorrow towards dawn, accompanied by rather gusty winds which are shifting round to a northerly. At first, temperatures won't be affected too much tonight, but into tomorrow it's going to start to feel a little chillier. Plenty of showers feeding through to start the day. During the course of the afternoon, more of these to come on that northwesterly breeze. Quite a cloudy and damp end to the day with very gusty winds for Irish Sea coasts. 11 Celsius will feel chilly tomorrow. It's a little quieter into the weekend with some brightness on Saturday. Bye-bye. Thank you. A bit of brightness out there today. Winds will pick up as we head through to this evening, but it's average temperatures this afternoon and largely dry. Overnight tonight, we'll begin to see rain nudging up from the Midlands associated with the deep low pressure system affecting central and eastern parts of England through tonight and tomorrow. For our part of the world, winds will increase in strength. It's damp and windy by tomorrow morning, but we are free from frost. A pretty wet rush hour, particularly on the region's higher routes, the Peak District, the Pennines, but also showers feeding through on a rather driving northwesterly tomorrow afternoon. It'll feel cold and damp. 10 or 11 Celsius our top temperature tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. Hello again. An unsettled and blustery day to come tomorrow with plenty of heavy showers and a colder feel to our weather as we approach this weekend. Showers on Friday, a cold and bright start to the weekend with Saturday being the day with some sunshine on offer. Back to the details. A deep low pressure system named Storm Benjamin by the French Met Service sweeps up across England and Wales through tomorrow, chiefly affecting central and eastern areas. But for us in the northwest, we will see showers feeding through. No warnings in place for the time being, but a gusty day expected. Back to this evening's details, and showers ahead of that rain band as it begins to nudge up from the south associated with that low pressure before dawn. A wet end to the night and some blustery winds picking up across the northwest before tomorrow morning's rush hour. We're free from frost tonight, but through the first part of the day tomorrow, very showery conditions and lots of cloud. Maybe a few glimmers of brightness around lunchtime, and then on that driving northwesterly through the afternoon, more showers feeding through. It's damp, feeling chilly, a grotty end to the day, 10 or 11 Celsius at best. Winds will ease down through tomorrow night. Friday will turn out bright and fine with some early sunshine on Saturday before it clouds over into Sunday. Bye-bye. There's a good chance we'll see some really big puddles over the next couple of days before it settles down into the weekend. The details are coming up later. Hello again. A very blustery and showery day to come tomorrow with things settling down by the end of the working week and into this weekend mostly dry with a brighter day being Saturday and a cold feel across the northwest. Now overnight tonight rain will be moving up from the Midlands before dawn associated with a deep area of low pressure affecting central and eastern parts of England through tonight and tomorrow. For us it means an increase in cloud, winds picking up in strength and a rather showery start to the day tomorrow. The sun will be up tomorrow morning at 7:53. It sets at 5:57 tomorrow evening. For the northwest of England and the Isle of Man, a showery start to the day, some very strong winds throughout the course of the morning, but perhaps a little stronger through the afternoon as they swing round to a rather driving northwesterly, feeding further showers down across the region. A damp, windy and rather cold feeling afternoon, 10 or 11 Celsius at best. Showers continuing through tomorrow night and for the first part of Friday. Bit of brightness getting out later on in the day on Friday. A touch of frost into Saturday. Some sunshine to start the weekend before it clouds over on Sunday. Bye-bye for now.